How to fix waiting for message in WhatsApp. So here are a few ways on how to fix this error. First is to update WhatsApp to the latest version. To do this, just head over to Play Store and then search for WhatsApp. So if you see an update button, then all you have to do is tap on that for the application to start updating. So this may be the cause of the error to which the WhatsApp application is outdated. So once it is done updating, then you could open the application and see whether the issue has been resolved. Another way of fixing this issue is to ask the other person to open the WhatsApp application and ask for them to stay online for a couple of minutes. So moving on to the next method is to wait for WhatsApp to sync. So this method applies for when you use the WhatsApp in your website or in desktop, and then opening your WhatsApp on your phone. So for this, you have to keep the devices connected to the internet and wait for the messages to get synced. So if these methods still do not work for you, what you can do is to back up and restore the WhatsApp messages. So which involves uninstalling and reinstalling the application. So to do this, just head over to the WhatsApp application, then tap on the three dots found on the upper right corner and go to Settings. Then tap on Chats. Scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. Then tap on Backup. So once the process is done, uninstall the application and then reinstall. Once installed, open the application, tap on Agree and Continue, then enter your phone number. Once you're done, tap on Continue. So now you will see this page, Restore Backup. So just tap on Restore, then tap Next. And so those are the ways on how to fix waiting for this message error in WhatsApp. Thank you and have a great day.